certainly I too wanted to make sure that my child would speak Yiddish. That was important to me. And I thought I would want to do that for ideological reasons. I'm a Yiddishist. Turned out it wasn't ideological at all. It was, I can't speak love to a child in English. Yiddish is the language of nurture for me, of loving for me. And I couldn't speak to this child until he was grown up. I couldn't use English with him. It just didn't work. You've met my son. And so even though I fell in love with and married someone who spoke no Yiddish, we discussed that issue before. Donna was extremely supportive of raising Shalom speaking Yiddish bilingually, and it worked. It was also very, very nice for Shalom and for my parents. My mom is still with us. My dad passed on a number of years ago. But Shalom could relate to them in their language without having to kiss through a veil, and without having to think of them as less than fully competent English speakers, as opposed to they were the paragon of Yiddish speakers. It allowed for a very, very close and comfortable emotional relationship.